In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. You can use the same WhatsApp account on two phones by following these steps. The first thing that you can do is to install WhatsApp on the secondary device. Download and install WhatsApp on your secondary phone. Choose your language and proceed. Tap agree and continue to move to the login screen. The second thing that you'll need to do is to link WhatsApp to existing account. Ignore the phone number prompt. Tap the ellipsis icon at the top right. Select link to existing account. A QR code will appear on your secondary device. Now open linked devices on primary device. On your primary phone, go to settings, navigate to linked devices. Now tap link a device. The fourth thing that you'll need to do is to scan QR code on secondary device. The QR code scanner will open on your primary device. Tap OK and scan the QR code displayed on your secondary device. Now you can use WhatsApp on both phones simultaneously. Remember that companion mode allows up to 5 devices, but currently iOS can only be the primary device. Enjoy texting from multiple phones. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.